We are going to explore the structures that lie under deltoid muscle. When we retract deltoid, we find a lot of structures. One of them is bones. There is upper end of humerus and the coracoid process of scapula that lie under deltoid. Then there are all the bursa of shoulder joint including subacromial bursa. Then there are joints and ligaments which are coracoacromial ligament and musculotendinous cuff of shoulder joint which is also known as rotator cuff. These are three diagrams showing rotator cuff from different angles. Then there are vessels that lie under deltoid which include anterior circumflex humeral artery and vein seen from anteriorly, posterior circumflex humeral artery and vein and axillary nerve seen from posterior side. Lastly, there are muscles. Some of them originate and some of them are inserted under deltoid. Coracobrachialis and long and short head of bicep brachii originate from their respective point of origin under deltoid anteriorly. Lateral and long head of tricep brachii originate from under the deltoid posteriorly. Then there is supraspinatus, infraspinatus and teres minor which are inserted to their respective points of insertion under deltoid posteriorly. On the anterior side, there is subscapularis, pectoralis major, pectoralis minor, teres major and latissimus dorsi, which are inserted to their respective points of insertion under the cover of deltoid muscle.